Namaste beloved friends, welcome back to Beyond Traveling. This is the ninth technique from the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. Actually, this is the third part of this technique. So according to this technique, suck something and become the shaki. So you can suck the air, you can suck the water, anything you suck, but become the shaki. So let's try to understand this technique. So what happened? The sucking is the basic thing in our life. When a child born, so the child is in the womb of the mother. When he came out from the womb, what he do? He start crying. Why he crying? Because he want to suck the air. Because in the womb there was no air, he was not breathing at all. But once he come out from the womb, he need to breathe. So he start crying. So first thing he do in the life is the sucking of the air. So he suck the air, his lungs expand and he come to this life. And the second thing he do, he suck the breast of the mother. So we are very much connected to the sucking. When you suck something, you feel this joy, you feel this connectedness, you feel the calmness and quietness. So that's why sucking is the most beautiful act. So many people, they are get attracted towards the woman breast. They are very much fascinated towards the woman breast. Why? Because they have this taste. Because in the childhood they did the breast milk, they drink the milk from the breast, and they have this, still they have this feeling of calmness, quietness, this feeling of the security, this feeling of the pure love. That's why they are still attached to that breast. And there is also one thing that so many people do the smoking. They smoking cigarette, bidi, other things they smoking. Because why? Because the smoking also giving the same effect. When you smoke, you feel the warmness going inside. You feel this warmness going inside. The same warmness when a child drink the milk from the mother. So it's feeling of the warmness going inside, and we feel calm and quiet when we smoke. So smoking and the breastfeeding, the sucking is the same. So if you want to stop the smoking, you don't smoke, don't stop immediately. You start enjoying the process of smoking. You start enjoying the process. The smoke is going inside and giving you this little bit warm effect, and you feel this calmness, quietness. Then that's how you can stop the smoking. But if you directly jump, then you decide, okay, from today I will not smoke at all. It will not happen. Try to enjoy this effect. You try to enjoy the smoking, then you can quit the smoking very easily. Then it will be no need for the smoke. You will feel you don't like to do the smoking if you do this process. So what this technique is saying? This technique is saying suck something and become the sucking. Okay. So what happens? There are three things. Okay. Subject, object. Look at my hand. I am the subject. This is the object, and looking is the process. So same way, I am sucking something. There is the object which I am sucking, and there is the process in between. So according to this technique, you become the process. You don't become the object or subject. You become the process. What is happening in this moment, you become that moment. You are sucking, you are inhaling. You become one with the air. You become one with the inhalation. You become one with the process. And when you become one with the process, you will come in this present moment. Suppose you are drinking the water. Okay, you forget the water, you forget the process, you forget the glass, you forget everything. You just become the process. The water going inside, it is going, moving to your food pipe, going to your abdomen, stomach, Like this, you become fully present with the process. So there is beautiful story also used to talk in his discourses. Like one man, he came to the Osho and he asked like, okay master, I want a technique. Please tell me any technique. So Osho said, okay, I will tell you the technique, but please tell me one thing. Whatever is coming in your mind, please tell me that you want very much in your life. Please tell me one thing which you want in your life so much. So the man, he closes his eyes and he was very sad to tell that what is happening inside him. So he told to Osho like, when I close my eyes, I am seeing the boobs, I am seeing the breast of the women only. There is nothing else, just breast. So Osho said, okay, now what you will do? You will start sucking your thumb. Okay, use the thumb as a meditation and start sucking the thumb. So he said, okay, I will do that. And he said, Osho said like, okay, now you will come to me after 3 months. So after 3 months, he came to the Osho. He said, no, it was transformation. In the beginning, when I started sucking my thumb, it was very fast. It was very fast and very animalistic, very like I was sucking very fast. And slowly within few days later, it was slow down, and I stopped sucking my thumb, and it became just quiet movement inside my lips. I was sucking, and slowly this sucking completely vanished. It was completely stopped. And one day I felt that there is some kind of some juice coming from my top of the head, and it fell down in my abdomen. And from that time, I was not in need of any food, any drink. I was completely in the moment of the bliss, completely in the moment of ecstasy. I was full with the joy, full with the happiness that happened to me. So said, yeah, very well, you are in the right path. So from that moment, the man was quiet, he was very happy, he was completely full. So from the sucking, he went to this deep meditative state. So we can use anything, any object to go deeper into this technique. You can use the air, you can use your thumb, you can just use your lip, you can use the water, anything which you need. You can use the milk. So this process will take you to the deeper state of samadhi, to the state of deeper relaxation, deep joy and bliss. So this very simple technique you can use in your day-to-day activity, anytime, anywhere, and just feel this joy arising from within, the joy and happiness which is always there. It will arise, it will come out from the inside to the outside. So please practice this technique and let me know the effect. I hope you can practice, and I hope you understand this process of the sucking. So once again I will tell you the technique. Suck something and become the sucking, become the process. Be in the moment and just enjoy the process, whatever happening. You are sucking your thumb, you are sucking the milk, you are sucking the water, you are sucking the air, whatever you are sucking, but become the sucking, become the process. Okay, so see you next time in that another technique of Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. So take care, love you all, be happy.